Welcome. Today we're diving into the essential skills you need in statistics. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious, mastering statistics opens doors in countless fields. From business to healthcare and from research to everyday decision making, statistical skills help you make sense of data and draw meaningful conclusions. In this video, we'll walk through the foundational abilities every statistician should have and show you how these skills connect to real-world application. Let's start our journey by understanding what statistics is and why it matters so much in today's data-driven world. Key skill in statistics is recognizing different types of data. Data can be qualitative, like colors or names, or quantitative, such as heights or weights. Knowing the type of data you're working with is crucial because it determines which statistical methods you can use. For example, you wouldn't calculate an average for colors, but you would for heights. This foundational skill sets the stage for accurate analysis and interpretation, ensuring your conclusions are valid and reliable. Before you can analyze anything, you need data, and not just any data, but reliable and relevant data. Skillful statisticians know how to design surveys, experiments, or observational studies to gather information that truly represents the population of interest. This involves understanding sampling techniques, avoiding bias, and ensuring that the data collection process is ethical and accurate. Good data collection is the backbone of trustworthy statistical analysis. Once you have your data, the next essential skill is data cleaning. Raw data often contains errors, missing values, or inconsistencies. Cleaning involves checking for mistakes, handling missing data, and standardizing formats. This step is critical because even small errors can lead to misleading results. By developing strong data cleaning habits, you ensure that your analysis is based on accurate and reliable information. Descriptive statistics is about summarizing and describing the main features of a dataset. This includes calculating measures like mean, median, mode, range, and standard deviation. These tools help you quickly understand the central tendency, spread, and overall shape of your data. Mastering descriptive statistics allows you to communicate key insights clearly and efficiently, making complex data more accessible. Picture is worth 1,000 words, especially in statistics. Data visualization skills help you turn raw numbers into clear, compelling charts and graphs. Whether it's a bar chart, histogram, scatterplot, or pie chart, visualizations make patterns and trends easy to spot. Effective visual communication is essential for sharing your findings with others, especially those who may not be statistics experts. Understanding probability is fundamental in statistics. Probability helps you measure the likelihood of events and is the foundation for more advanced topics like hypothesis testing and predictive modeling. Knowing how to calculate probabilities, interpret them, and apply basic probability rules is a must-have skill for anyone working with data. Sampling is the process of selecting a subset of individuals from a population to estimate characteristics of the whole group. Essential skills here include understanding random sampling, stratified sampling, and cluster sampling. Good sampling techniques help ensure your results are representative and minimize bias, which is crucial for making valid inferences. Inferential statistics allows you to make predictions or generalizations about a population based on a sample. This skill involves understanding concepts like confidence intervals, significance levels, and p-values. By mastering inferential statistics, you can draw meaningful conclusions from limited data and assess the reliability of your findings. Hypothesis testing is a core skill in statistics. It's the process of making decisions or inferences about populations using sample data. You'll need to know how to set up null and alternative hypotheses, choose the right test, and interpret results. This skill is vital for research, quality control, and many business applications. Common pitfall in statistics is confusing correlation with causation. Correlation measures the relationship between two variables, but it doesn't mean one causes the other. Understanding this distinction is crucial for accurate analysis and avoiding misleading conclusions. This skill helps you critically evaluate studies and reports. Regression analysis is a powerful statistical tool for examining relationships between variables and making predictions. Knowing how to perform and interpret linear and multiple regression analyses is essential for many fields, from economics to engineering. This skill enables you to model trends and forecast future outcomes based on existing data. Statisticians must be familiar with different types of data distributions, such as normal, binomial, and Poisson distributions. Recognizing the shape and properties of these distributions helps you choose the right statistical methods and interpret results accurately. This knowledge is foundational for advanced analysis and modeling. In today's world, statistical software is a must-have tool. Skills in programs like Excel, R, Python, or SPSS allow you to analyze large datasets efficiently and accurately. Learning to code basic statistical functions, run analyses, and visualize results will make you a more effective and versatile statistician. Statistical analysis isn't just about crunching numbers. Critical thinking is essential for interpreting results, questioning assumptions, and spotting errors or biases. This skill helps you make sound decisions and avoid common pitfalls, ensuring your conclusions are both logical and trustworthy. Being able to explain statistical findings clearly is just as important as doing the analysis itself. Good communication skills help you share insights with colleagues, clients, or the public, regardless of their statistical background. This includes writing clear reports, creating effective presentations, and answering questions confidently. Ethics play a vital role in statistics. Statisticians must ensure data privacy, avoid manipulating results, and report findings honestly. Understanding ethical guidelines and applying them in your work builds trust and credibility, both for yourself and for the field as a whole. Interpreting statistical results accurately is a skill that takes practice. It involves understanding what the numbers mean in context, recognizing limitations, and being able to explain the practical significance of your findings. This skill ensures that your analysis leads to actionable insights, not just abstract numbers. Outliers are data points that differ significantly from others in your dataset. Knowing how to detect, analyze, and decide what to do with outliers is an essential skill. Sometimes outliers indicate errors, but they can also reveal important insights. Handling them properly ensures your analysis remains robust and meaningful. Bias can creep into statistical analysis in many ways, from data collection to interpretation. Recognizing and minimizing bias is crucial for producing valid results. This skill involves being aware of different types of bias, such as selection bias or confirmation bias, and taking steps to avoid them. Time series analysis is the study of data points collected or recorded at specific time intervals. This skill is essential for analyzing trends, forecasting, and understanding seasonal patterns. It's widely used in economics, finance, and environmental studies, making it a valuable tool for statisticians. Designing experiments is a core skill for statisticians. It involves planning how to collect data, control variables, and ensure results are valid. Good experimental design helps you draw clear conclusions and minimizes the risk of confounding factors affecting your results. Not all data fits the assumptions required for standard statistical tests. Non-parametric methods are flexible tools that don't rely on specific distributions. Knowing when and how to use these methods expands your analytical toolkit and allows you to handle a wider range of data types. Multivariate analysis involves examining more than two variables at once. This skill is essential for understanding complex relationships and interactions in your data. Techniques like principal component analysis and factor analysis help you reduce dimensionality and uncover hidden patterns. Bayesian statistics is a powerful approach that incorporates prior knowledge into statistical analysis. This skill involves understanding how to update probabilities as new data becomes available. Bayesian methods are increasingly popular in fields like machine learning and medical research. Reporting your findings clearly and accurately is a vital skill. This includes writing detailed reports, creating tables and charts, and summarizing key results. Good reporting ensures your audience understands your analysis and can act on your recommendations. Reproducibility means that others can repeat your analysis and get the same results. This skill involves documenting your methods, sharing data and code, and following best practices. Reproducibility builds trust and allows others to build on your work. Data ethics goes beyond just following rules. It's about respecting privacy, ensuring fairness, and considering the impact of your analysis. This skill is increasingly important as data becomes more central to decision-making in society. Data wrangling is the process of transforming raw data into a usable format. This includes merging datasets, reshaping tables, and converting data types. Strong data wrangling skills save time and make your analysis more efficient and accurate. Machine learning is closely related to statistics. Understanding basic concepts like supervised and unsupervised learning, classification, and regression helps you apply statistical thinking to modern data science problems. This skill bridges the gap between traditional statistics and cutting-edge technology. Interpreting data goes beyond just reading numbers. It's about understanding what the data is telling you, recognizing patterns, and drawing meaningful conclusions. This skill is essential for turning raw data into actionable insights that drive decisions. Presenting your statistical findings effectively is crucial. This involves creating engaging slides, using visuals, and telling a compelling story with your data. Good presentation skills help you communicate complex ideas clearly and persuade your audience. Statistics is often a team effort. Collaborating with others, whether they're statisticians, subject matter experts, or decision makers, helps you gain new perspectives and improve your analysis. Good collaboration skills are essential for successful projects. The field of statistics is always evolving. Staying up to date with new methods, tools, and best practices is essential for long-term success. Embracing continuous learning keeps your skills sharp and helps you adapt to new challenges. At its core, statistics is about solving problems. Whether you're identifying trends, testing hypotheses, or making predictions, strong problem-solving skills help you tackle challenges and find effective solutions. Small mistakes can have big consequences in statistics. Attention to detail is crucial for checking calculations, verifying data, and ensuring accuracy at every step. This skill helps you produce reliable and trustworthy results. Statistical projects often involve unexpected challenges, from missing data to changing requirements. Being adaptable allows you to adjust your approach and find creative solutions, keeping your analysis on track. Managing statistical projects requires planning, organization, and time management. Good project management skills help you set goals, allocate resources, and deliver results on time. This ensures your work is efficient and effective. Thorough documentation is essential for reproducibility and collaboration. This includes recording your methods, decisions, and results. Good documentation makes it easier for others to understand and build on your work. Mistakes are inevitable, but they're also valuable learning opportunities. Being able to identify, analyze, and learn from errors helps you improve your skills and avoid repeating the same mistakes in the future. Building a network of fellow statisticians and data professionals can help you stay informed, get feedback, and find new opportunities. Networking is a valuable skill for career growth and professional development. Curiosity drives discovery and innovation in statistics. Asking questions, exploring new ideas, and seeking to understand the why behind the numbers keeps your work fresh and exciting. This mindset leads to deeper insights and better results. Ultimately, the goal of learning statistical skills is to apply them in real-world situations. Whether you're working in business, science, healthcare, or government, applying your knowledge to solve problems and make informed decisions is what makes statistics truly valuable. Let's quickly review the essential skills we've covered. Understanding data types, collecting and cleaning data, descriptive and inferential statistics, visualization, software skills, critical thinking, communication, ethics, and more. Mastering these skills will set you up for success in any statistical endeavor. Congratulations on exploring the essential skills in statistics. Remember, becoming proficient takes practice and continuous learning. Keep building your skills, stay curious, and apply what you've learned to real-world challenges. With these abilities, you'll be well equipped to analyze data, draw insights, and make a meaningful impact in any field.